Hey Socialites, spend the day with me while we do some light shopping and celebrate 20K subscribers. First stop is Target. I saw these super cute boots online and wanted to check them out in store. They are too cute, definitely giving Givenchy vibes. They don't look super cheap either. The quality of the faux leather is not bad. They also come in a short version, wide calf friendly and true to size. Okay, Target, this one is cute too. Now, I was surprised to see this style in there. This would be so cute with some straight leg or wide leg light denim jeans. You could also wear it with all black or all white. It's definitely giving holiday. It did fit kind of tight, so size up one size. Not the UGG Tasman dupes in Target. These are so cute. They fit almost like the regular Uggs. I size up in Uggs, but I'm not gonna lie, the inside on the bottom is a little bit hard. They're not as soft as Uggs. They also come in red and black. When in Target, do like the Target people do. Starbucks just launched their holiday drinks. I couldn't figure out which one to get, so I got two. Sephora was next door, and it was the last day of the sale. Oh yeah, we're going in. I had to swatch the limited edition Ethereal Eyes palette from Makeup by Mario. She was cute and she had pretty good pigmentation. Now I love these Haus Labs crayons. I only have one color. They are so good. The only thing is I wish they had deeper shades. Now this was another level of pigment, you guys. Two of the colors on this major dimension palette are actually creams and pigmented enough to wear as liners. Finally checked out the brand Fleur for fragrance. Somebody Wood was my favorite. If you like vanillic, slightly woodsy scents, you would love this. Cherry Ambition from the Seven Virtues was so beautiful. I was taken back. Smells like a $500 fragrance. So I got the caramel brulee latte cold. It was really good, nice and sweet, just like I like it. I put whipped cream on top and it had like little chunks of sugar. Chef's kiss. And then I got the chestnut praline latte. I got this one hot. It was okay, so I'm gonna try it cold next time. En route to the restaurant, we passed by some of the oldest homes built in Houston that they've preserved. So this is the Heights. To celebrate reaching 20K subscribers, we went to our favorite restaurant, Whiskey and Cake. They have the best food, y'all. I got my go-to appetizer, the candied bacon with the aioli sauce. It's amazing. Their whiskey cake is most definitely famous. It is delicious. It's a cake made of dates. So decadent. And their house-made whipped cream is chef's kiss. Just because it's from Target doesn't mean we can't do an unboxing. So I ended up getting the short version. You guys, they fit true to size, don't look cheap at all. I can honestly wear these with anything. Perfect for fall, winter. I'll have the links to everything in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And you know I couldn't leave Sephora without getting something, so I ended up picking up the new Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette. Y'all, it is everything. The pigment is next level and it has the perfect everyday colors. I've been wanting to try the Peace Out acne pads for so long, so I'm glad I was able to pick them up and get 20% off on the last day of the sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for 20K. I love y'all so much. Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.